Well, I'm excited today because I'm here with Miss Georgia Kirkland.
Hello, hello.
So how are you today? Good?
I am doing well, John.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much. Thank
well,
you.
thanks for coming in just to let me share a little bit of your story here with us. I would say that, a lot of people come in and, experience blue in a certain way. I think you have definitely taken advantage of what we do here, and that's what we're all about, is very comprehensive. So I was just curious, kind of when you first came to Blue, first of all, how you found out about us.
Well, I moved to Midtown 2.5 years ago, and I heard a lot of people talking about the Blue Med Center. So,
Cool.
So I decided to come by, plus all the advertisements, and I'd gone online to look at all the reviews, and I said, that's some place I definitely want to go.
Oh, good.
And then when I found out of the whole package, it's like a one-stop shop. I said, this is going to be my place. So
that's definitely, trying to look at people on their journey of life. And
Absolutely.
I know that everybody has their different milestones of what's important to them.
Yeah.
And we try to be very comprehensive, kind of like you said. I love that one-stop shop.
One-stop shop, yeah, from head to toe. It's done. My original concerns were some loose skin around my neck and abdomen, thighs, typical aging process. And
it's a pretty common request.
Yeah, and with Thermi, it was handled. I had desired results that
so
I wanted.
So you had the Thermi. Do you mind sharing a few things?
Not at all.
And
Not at
kind
all.
of what you
Not
thought
at
about
all.
those experiences?
I absolutely loved it. I had it on my neck area just a couple months ago, as a matter of fact, and of course my thighs, upper thighs, my abdomen.
So it's a Thermi Tighten. That's where they use radio frequency to tighten skin anywhere on the body,
Absolutely.
face. I love that. It's a lot of people don't know about it, and so it's one of those things where people come in, I'll show them pictures, like, wow, that really.
And it really does work. It's not just pictures. It really works. I can see just from my own results, and I had very desirable results. In addition to that, I've had the Smart Lipo for some problem areas in my abdomen that this diet and exercise wouldn't take care of.
And that was Dr. James, right?
Dr. James, and
awesome
he is
medical
amazing,
director.
very personable, talks the whole time, very answers any kind of questions, make sure that you feel comfortable with everything,
such a good
describes everything, he called me that night to make sure everything was fine. There was absolutely no downtime, and it didn't.
Yeah, because you're busy. You're a flight attendant,
I'm a flight attendant,
so you have to be on your feet all the time.
Yeah, it was great. There was no downtime and no pain associated whatsoever.
Fantastic.
So it was truly the best thing ever.
And I
I'm
think,
glad I did it.
You've experienced some services with is it Farina or Jennifer or both?
I have, yep. This is head to toe thing here. Absolutely, my blueprint here.
Yes.
I have with Farina. I did the HCG hormone.
Okay.
Thing for some.
Just a little excess.
Just a little excess
weight.
Yeah,
you
a
want to get
little
off.
weight.
How'd you like that?
I loved it. It was great.
It works quick too.
I felt like I was, 15 years old again, which
awesome.
was even better. It's the best thing ever. And then with Jennifer, I've done fillers and Botox.
Okay.
And, with Trisha, I've done facials and
so you've kind of
microneedling.
bounced
and
around.
just,
I always say we can get you your own little room here, and
I love
you just
it.
move in with us.
I would love that. Nothing more. So. Thank goodness I'm only just a block and a half away.
Right.
But I don't care if I was 5 hours away. Get on a plane, come see you.
I know.
So
And thank you so much.
It's the best ever.
Thank you. I know that you've been so. We appreciate you. Word of mouth is how we grow, and I know you sent some friends in to see us, and I want to tell you thank you so much.
Oh, you're very welcome, and I still talk out there, so it's amazing. I'm one of those people that I met when I first moved here talking about blue.
Right.
So now I'm one of those talking about it, and I do the hair care products too. So
that's right. Our hair
Monat.
rejuvenation, the Monat's really good.
It's a great product
at this
as well.
point. Is there anything, any advice you'd have for people that are kind of considering, different treatment options, and maybe they're a little apprehensive? Just what?
I would say come check it out. Word of mouth, like John said, is just. It's everything. So the reviews are amazing. They speak for themselves. But once you come in and you meet yourself and the rest of your staff, the doctors, it's an amazing process, and you feel just very comfortable. I felt comfortable from the get-go.
Awesome.
So,
awesome.
Yeah.
That's great. Is there anything that we could, in your opinion, anything that you'd like to see, that we could improve upon, or anything that you'd like to see added to what we're doing? Because my thing is, always trying to stay ahead of the curve
Absolutely.
and be innovative with what we're doing. And so I don't know.
I think you're doing a great job. Anytime I could possibly think of something, you've already thought it. And the next thing I know, it's on an advertisement. I'm thinking, wow. But I was thinking about that, and it's done already.
Yeah, I think having a little bit of a background in the medical field prior to here has helped, and just looking at, this is a fast-moving, field with technology. And,
absolutely.
I always look for things that people are busy, minimal downtime, good results, things that work, because I think we're hesitant as a business to just jump on the bandwagon with the latest technology. A lot of it's marketing hype.
Right,
That's
exactly.
why I love Thermi, because
Thermi's wonderful.
It really has more than exceeded expectations.
Oh, it has. It's not just Photoshop pictures before and after.
Right.
It's I mean,
well, so much
I'm
so.
living proof.
Well, yeah, you and several other patients. Where Trisha, our 10-year medical esthetician, she's in her late 40s, I guess, and she kept seeing patients on her table that had it done. She's like, "Damn it, I'm gonna get this." She keeps saying all their results. She said, "I think this is. I need to call Dr. James and see if I can get on his schedule." And she just had it done a few weeks ago and was really happy.
Yeah, I've been very happy too, and it's only been a couple months, and he says it's going to get better.
It gets better, yeah. That's nice too.
Better.
It just tightens over the 6 months, and it'll last probably about good 3 years or so.
Being in the 50-year mark now, it's kind of
congratulations.
But hey, as long as there's Blue Med Center around the corner, I'm happy. So everything's good. So.
Well, happy birthday, by the
you.
way,
Thank
you for your time today and for
John.
sharing some of your story with us.
Absolutely.
I think maybe we're going to do a little Thermi Smooth for you right now.
Oh,
so if you're okay with us putting that on film too,
are you kidding me? I would love it.
That'd be great.
Anything.
Thanks, Georgia.
Thank you, John.